Hello friends, my name is Carlos Antonio Calet. I am studying Business Administration at the UNAD University. In this video, I will give my point of view about the effects that technology causes on the environment. Well, I think that technology is causing serious and irreversible damage to the environment. Both advancement and the exaggerated production of technological devices are producing much exploitation of natural resources, a lot of radiation that affects the health of living things, and the use of materials and chemicals that affect water sources with their ecosystems, and overcome a large number of discarded elements that, due to the speed of technological advances, have a short lifespan, are flooding the planet as they take hundreds of years to decompose. We are filling the planet with garbage. I see that if we don't stop or at least regulate the way they are producing and incorporating new and more technology every day, we will have in a short time a devastated planet with a little chance of recovery, with the disappearance of many species imminent. Consumption is linked to population growth, industrialization and urban growth, and by meeting everyone's need and economic development, we are putting our planet at risk, which generates diseases, deforestation, natural disasters, global warming, and notable decrease in the quality of life of all species on the planet. It is very important and urgent to implement the use of technology, but with projects that protect the environment that contain low levels of contamination, that their use life is longer, by reducing their production, that there are products made with biodegradable materials that don't contaminate or are recyclable. It's urgent to reduce the harmful impact that is behind caused to the planet. Today we see that the great world powers to demonstrate their power in terms of technological and scientific advances have problems contaminated. The entire world population, life on the entire planet is at risk. Okay, thank you for your attention. This is my presentation. Goodbye.